I'm Kristen from Serra Nissan of Traverse City. Right along as we take the 2019 Nissan Altima for a drive. The 2019 Nissan Altima is now available with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, which provides great all-wheel drive control in all weather conditions. It also is the most fuel-efficient all-wheel drive sedan in its class, with up to 36 miles a gallon. The new Nissan Altima can also feature the NissanConnect app. With this app, you can unlock and lock your doors, remote start your car, or find your vehicle's current location anytime with the Park Car Finder. In addition, you can use the navigation door-to-door to easily move directions from your smartphone to the navigation unit. A standard feature on the 2019 Nissan Altima is both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Thanks for riding along in the 2019 Nissan Altima, now available with all-wheel drive. If you'd like to learn more, stop in, give us a call, or click the link below for details.